Hi there! In this video I'm going to show you how to make a spike single crochet. This is the front view of a spike single crochet and this is the back view. Here you can see I've made several standard single crochets. A spike single crochet is worked into the row below what you would normally work into. So for this stitch, if I were making a regular single crochet, I'd insert my hook here, but we're making a spike single crochet. So we're going to go one row down and make a single crochet. Now we're not going to work in that stitch. We're going to move on to the next stitch. And then let's make another spike. Instead of going into this stitch, I'm going to go one row down and make a single crochet. So that is a spike stitch. And this is what the back side will look like. I hope you found this helpful.